Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop videos from automatically playing with sound on Facebook. Whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop version, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, let's look at how to do it on your phone. Open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon. This could be 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Icon Settings in top right corner. Scroll down to the Media section. Tap on it and look for the option that says Videos Start with Sound. Toggle this option off. Now videos will play silently unless you tap on them. And that's how you can stop Facebook videos from starting with sound automatically. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.